In this video, we discuss how to delete your Instagram account. This tutorial will show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently so you will lose all your data, including your photos and videos related to your personal Instagram account. Let's start by launching the Instagram application. Select the profile button in the bottom right corner. Select the burger menu in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Select Account Center. Personal Details. Account Ownership and Control. Deactivation or deletion. Select the Instagram account you would like to delete. Select Delete Account. Click Continue. Tell Instagram why you're deleting. Enter your password. Hit Continue, and you will have deleted your Instagram account. Thank you for watching KMT. If this video helped you out, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. Thank you.